Hi! In front of me is VIVO X90 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this device. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings. In Settings, scroll down just a bit and tap on Lock Screen and Wallpaper. Then select Themes section. Click on Download More at the bottom and select the best one for you. You can click on Recommended Ones, tap on Categories, or click on the search bar. I will go with, for example, Blue category. Now tap on the best theme for your device. Maybe this one. Select Download at the bottom. Wait couple of seconds and tap on Apply. So when I do that, as you can see, theme of my device has changed. If you wish to go back to your default theme, go into Settings, click on Lock Screen and Wallpaper, then Themes and System Themes. Lastly, tap on Apply. You can do exactly the same by choosing Download More instead, clicking on Local at the bottom right corner, and selecting Local Themes. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!